Ever pondered the importance of solar charge controllers in your solar panel installations? Well, they are not just another component but a crucial one, ensuring the efficiency, safety, and longevity of your solar panel system. Acting as a gatekeeper, a solar charge controller sits between the solar panels and the batteries. It regulates the amount and rate of charge to prevent overcharging and battery drainage. It also offers overload protection, low voltage disconnects, and blocks reverse currents. Now, there are two main types of charge controllers: pulse width modulation, known as PWM, and maximum power point tracking, commonly referred to as MPPT. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and understanding them will help you choose the right one for your solar panel installation. Starting with PWM controllers. They are the simpler and cheaper option. They work by sending a series of pulses to the battery, which reduces the overall charge current. This process helps to maintain the battery's health and longevity. However, their simplicity comes with a price: efficiency. On the other hand, we have MPPT controllers, the more technologically advanced of the two. They are highly efficient and can harness the full power of your solar panels. MPPT controllers operate by tracking the maximum power point of the solar panels and adjusting the charge current accordingly. This process maximizes the power output and reduces energy loss. In summary, both PWM and MPPT controllers play a vital role in solar panel installations. The choice between the two boils down to your specific needs and circumstances. Remember, the key to a successful solar panel installation isn't just about picking the right solar panels, but also about choosing the right charge controller.